Hello guys, good day. My name is Emmanuel Christian aka Signature. In today's video, we will be talking about 6 key points why you need to resection your locks. One thing you must know is that resectioning of locks does not mean your locks is weak or your locks are not well organized, but there are reasons and they are inevitable for you that are planning to carry your locks for a very long time. So I'm going to state out this point just is to observe, and at any point you think you need to resection your locks, then it applies to you. So first of all, the first reason why you need to resection your locks is for um, your locks is up to, if your locks is up to 8, 9, 10 years, you need to resection your locks. The reason why I said so is because, for instance, you start locks with 100 strands. Maybe from the starting stage, the 100 strand will not be too full. But when you get to a certain length, the hair becomes too full. Styling becomes a difficult thing to do. The hair becomes so full. Like when you wash your hair becomes very heavy. It's not the weight of the hair, is not the length, it's the quantity that is on it that makes it heavy. So if you want to enjoy the lives of locks and all of those things, the best I would recommend is you need to reduce those 100 strands to maybe 80 strands, so that you give the root strength to carry the locks. So for you to do that, instead of merging your locks, because if you merge your locks, it's still the same weight you are giving to the hair. So what you do, the best way to handle that situation is by taking down the hair, resection it to 80 strands, then connect it. Then you take out those weak ones so that the locks can have some space to breathe and have healthy roots to contain the locks throughout the next phase of the locks journey. Then the second point why you need to resection your locks, if you are those among those people that started with random sectioning of locks, you need to resection your locks because when your hair is due for maintenance and they can't see the lines anymore, when you go to any loctician, what the loctician is actually doing at that moment, when retwisting or interlocking or crocheting your hair, the person is creating new lines because there is no row or column binding the locks together. So because there's no row or column binding the locks together, the locks is anytime your loctician is trying to retwist a single strand of locks, you always create new lines because there's no defined line keeping the locks in line for him to really separate. So for those people that go to salon and their hair are always very fused before they visit the salon, you need to resection your lock. It's very important. So that is the second key point. And to clarify it, I said you need to resection your locks because your locks were randomly sectioned, and because of its randomly sectioned, anytime you try to retwist, your optician is creating new lines, and those new lines will be making your locks root to be thinning out. That's why sometimes you see the body of a particular locks is looking very fat and the root is looking very slim because it has been breaking from one root to another, one root to another, one root to another. So definitely that part where you break from one root to give to the other root is definitely going to be thicker. And why the other one that you break it from is going to be slimmer. The next retwist again, it might be the opposite. So when you keep doing it like that, you now discover that the body of the locks, some part is looking thicker, some part is looking slimmer. So this are the 2 points why you need to resection your locks. Then the last point I want to talk about is resection your lock gives you ease and peace, because now when you resection your locks and reduce the quantity because you have gained excess length, it helps your styling journey to be easy. It helps your locks to dry properly. It also helps your locks to be how am I gonna call it? It helps your locks in a way whereby when you section your locks, the styling becomes very beautiful. Your scalp is looking neat. It will be easy to wash all by yourself. It will be easy to separate all by yourself. So it's not by taking 2 excess locks on your head that makes your locks look healthy. So these are the 3 points why you need to resection your locks, especially when your locks are on a larger quantity. you need to resection your logs. For those people that start with sister logs, micro logs, they need to get to a point that you need to merge your logs. So this point I'm giving is actually for people with traditional logs. I'm going to come to the people with sister logs. So for now, enjoy the rest of your day. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm your host, Obino Signature. Peace out.